Charles Road.
That's a conviction right there.
On the way to get my citizenship. That's ew. On the way to get my citizenship. Oh. Citizenship.
Turn right onto Old St. Charles Road, then turn left onto North Lindbergh Boulevard.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No.
That was something I You got that? C'est misère pour tout comme faire.
La question c'est ça.
Parce que like on anesthesiology, I was talking to him. I've been talking to him. Like we were texting. And
Talking to him or talking to him?
just talking to him. But don't slow it down, don't add anything. Talking to him, you retarded. You don't cry.
Who lied to you?
Girl, my strong patano cool dessa. I was so happy. Right there. Oh, good luck.
Continue on North Tucker Boulevard for 1 mile.
Like,
I'm registered to vote. Did you register to vote? Go register and vote so Donald Trump will become president.
no.
For president.
1990. Were you born in Haiti?
Yes.
Okay. Have a look. If I've done it correctly, you can date it and sign it there.
give you back your address so you can keep that private. Thank you. We'll send it in a few weeks. You should get your full ID card in the mail. It's just a postcard. This is mine, so don't throw it in the trash. Okay, so it says voter identification. You can cut it out, put it in your wallet, and then you know. Okay. And when it's time for an election, you should get a notice of election. Also in the postcard, and it tells you the place. Like I live in Chesterfield, and I vote at my high school. But you might vote at a church or a high school or